Diabetes management involves making careful choices about food options to maintain stable blood sugar levels. In this regard, cassava, a nutrient-dense root vegetable consumed widely in developing countries, has gained attention for its potential benefits for individuals with diabetes. Despite concerns surrounding its natural toxin and starch content, proper preparation methods can address these issues. By exploring the nutritional composition of cassava and its impact on blood sugar control, we can assess whether it is a suitable and advantageous addition to the diet of individuals with diabetes. Cassava, known by various names such as yucca, manioc or mandioca, is a starchy root vegetable that resembles potatoes in texture when cooked. It is utilized in different forms including cassava flour, bread and tapioca. A 1 cup serving of raw cassava provides approximately 165 calories, primarily sourced from carbohydrates, making it a valuable energy source. Considering carbohydrates is crucial for individuals with diabetes since they directly affect blood sugar level. Cassava contains 39 grams of carbohydrates per half of cup, accompanied by 2 grams of fiber and 1.8 grams of natural sugars. Notably, cassava has a low glycemic index compared to many other staple grains, suggesting lower digestion and potentially more stable blood sugar levels. Addressing the concerns surrounding cassava, its raw form contains toxin called hydrocyanic acid, a cyanide-producing sugar derivative. However, through proper processing techniques such as grating, pressing, and cooking, the hydrocyanic acid is effectively removed, rendering cooked cassava safe for consumption. This eliminates the potential toxin issue, ensuring that individuals can enjoy cassava without significant health risks. Moreover, cassava boasts an impressive nutritional profile, being rich in potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin A, magnesium, selenium, calcium, and iron. These essential nutrients contribute to overall health and may offer potential benefits for individuals with diabetes. One of the significant advantages of cassava for diabetics lies in its low glycemic index. Compared to wheat, cassava produces fewer digestible sugars and provides a higher fiber content, leading to a slower and more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. This property may help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making cassava a suitable option for individuals seeking effective diabetes management. Furthermore, the flavonoid and fiber content in cassava may help lower the risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of health markers associated with an increased risk of diabetes and heart disease. By safeguarding against elevated blood sugar levels, cholesterol, and waist circumference, cassava can contribute to improved metabolic health. Additionally, cassava's high potassium content can aid in reducing blood pressure levels when balanced with an appropriate sodium intake. Potassium has been shown to positively impact blood pressure regulation, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes who commonly face challenges related to hypertension. While cassava itself may not be particularly high in protein, its edible leaves serves as a good protein source. Protein plays a vital role in various bodily functions and supports overall health, including blood sugar management. In conclusion, when properly prepared, cassava can be a valuable addition to the diet of individuals with diabetes. With its low glycemic index, nutrient-rich profile, potential to reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome, and support in blood pressure management, cassava offers several benefits for diabetes management. It is essential, however, to emphasize portion control, balanced meal planning, and consultation with the healthcare provider to ensure optimal incorporation of cassava into a diabetes management plan. Thank you very much.